shit, here we go again.
Welcome back, guys. A very quick video today, just a quick update on our £2,000 to £100,000 challenge. Of course, the markets have been tanking recently. Yesterday was probably the worst day in crypto market history. Obviously, most people are down on their crypto portfolios. A lot of people are down 50, 60, up to 80% down. We made our portfolio last year, so it was February 2024 was our last buy, which is obviously exactly a year from today. Now, we did invest £2,000. Going into Coinbase, we can see our balance is still just above £2,000. So while everybody else is down, we're still above break even. We are still in profits over the last year or so. As you can see, in March, we were just over double on our portfolio. The December that just went, December 24, we were almost double our portfolio again. Of course, it has come down since then. We're just above break even. Now, looking into our portfolio, we spent £400 on each coin. Now, Algorand, you can see it's sitting at £806. Scale is at £425. Decentraland is down to £315. Filecoin is down to £283. Polygon is down to £184. But overall, our portfolio is still in profit. We're just above break even. Now, what I want to do is rotate some of the coins. Now, when we did our last video, we did say we're going to wait until 2025 before we start rotating. Obviously, the markets are tanked, and we've had a year to work out which coins look decent and which ones are not doing anything. So as we can see, Algorand's already doubled, so I'm gonna keep that. Scale is at just over break even. I'm going to keep Scale anyway. That's going to be my dark horse. Mana, I just think this time there is no narrative on metaverses, so I'm going to get out of that. Filecoin, to be honest, I do expect it to do well, but I'm going to get rid of that. Polygon is just dead at the moment. I do expect it to come back, but for the time being, it's not doing anything. It's not going to be a strong performer. So I'm going to get rid of Mana, File, and Polygon. I have picked a coin to put them into, so I am going to go for Echelon Prime. I just think Echelon Prime has got a good narrative behind it. It is in the AI sector, it's into gaming as well, and of course it's been promoted by a lot of influencers, so I do expect Echelon Prime to do well. So I'm going to rotate those coins and put that money into Echelon Prime. So I'm going to go into Coinbase and make a quick buy. So you can see now we have got 108 Echelon Prime, which is roughly about £760 at the moment. Coinbase do charge some fees. However, we're still hovering at break even. We're just below, a couple of quid below 2,000. So we can say we're still break even. There's a lot of moon boys at the moment who are down 60%, 80%. They're all ready for a bull run. They're all shouting, let's go. And of course, we're at break even, so we're at a decent advantage. We'll see how the bull run plays out. I do believe we're still going to hit our targets. It's going to be a bit harder, but if we rotate enough times, I do believe we can hit our targets. So I know the markets are down quite bad, and a lot of you are worried. So I'm going to leave you guys with some words of wisdom. Enjoy.
Fuck crypto. You don't need the anxiety. Before you bought the bullshit fantasy coin, your life was good. But then you made some money and became greedy. Now the bullshit coin is fucked. And nobody can tell you when it is going to be unfucked. Even the motherfucker who convinced you to buy the bullshit coin, who told you that it is going to be the next big thing, that motherfucker is nowhere to be found. You are on your own. And all you can do is cry about it in the shower. And hope and believe that your bullshit coin will go up in price again, so that you can sell it and make some money and buy some more and then get fucked all over again. That is crypto.